Each day with newer techniques there is advancements in technology. One of them is a helicopter, which is considered to be the fastest mode of transport. Helicopters are useful in many ways, like to move from one place to another, transport material, in natural calamities, and in military operations. Welcome to 1 minute of show with top 10 fastest helicopters in the world. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Number 10. Boeing AH-64 Apache. The Boeing AH-64 Apache, which consists of 4-blade, twin-turbo shaft with a tailwheel type landing gear arrangement and a tandem cockpit for a 2-man crew. The Apache can fly at a speed of 284 km/h and is known to be one of the fastest helicopters in the world. It is also equipped with a nose-mounted sensor suite for target acquisition and night vision systems. It is currently being manufactured by Boeing Defense, Space, and Security. The main operator of these helicopters in the United States, but other countries are also using it as a primary attack helicopter. Number 9. Mil-26. A Russian/Soviet heavy transport helicopter. Manufactured by Rostvertol and designed by Mil. Moscow helicopter plant. Its first flight was on December 14, 1977. Due to the engine load-sharing system, the helicopter can continue to fly even in case of power loss by one engine. It is operated by military and civilian operators. Main purpose is to carry heavy equipment such as 13 metric ton amphibious armored personnel carriers and mobile ballistic missiles to remote locations. With a speed of 295 km/h, it is 9th among the fastest helicopters in the world. Number 8. Mi-28 Night Hunter. With a speed of 300 km/h, Mi-28 Night Hunter is one of the fastest helicopters in the world. It was manufactured by Mil and the first flight was on November 10, 1982. Mi-28 is a Russian helicopter that can be used in all weather, day-night, military tandem, 2-seat anti-armor attack helicopter. It was specially designed to fight against tanks and enemy helicopters and covering helicopter landing operations. It is equipped with armored cabin and windshields that can provide protection from bullets and shell fragments. Number 7. Ka-52 Alligator. The Ka-52 Alligator is a Russian helicopter designed by Komov Design Bureau. It is equipped with Klima VK2500 turboshaft engines and can fly at a maximum altitude of 5,500 meters. It completed its first flight in June 1997 and can destroy ground targets and aerial targets. Its maximum takeoff weight is 10,800 kilograms. It has a speed of 300 km/h, similar to that of Mi-28 Night Hunter, and is the 7th fastest helicopter in the world. Number 6. Airbus NH-90. The NH-90 is a twin-engine, multi-role military helicopter. It is manufactured by NH Industries, a company that is owned by Airbus Helicopters, Leonardo Finmeccanica, and Fokker Aerostructures. It made its first flight on December 18, 1995. The helicopter was developed in response to NATO requirements for a battlefield helicopter. It can fly at a maximum altitude of 6,000 meters and has a maximum takeoff weight of 10,600 kilograms. It is fully integrated with heavy weapons to deal with any situation and has a flight speed of 300 kilometers per hour. Number 5. AgustaWestland 139. AgustaWestland AW139 is a 15-seat twin-engine helicopter developed by AgustaWestland. It was primarily developed for VIP/corporate transport, offshore transport. Firefighting, law enforcement, search and rescue, emergency medical service, disaster relief, and maritime patrol. It is manufactured primarily in Italy and the United States but is also produced in Italy by Helivert. First flight on February 3, 2001, and from 2003 the helicopter has become one of the most influential products of AgustaWestland 139. It can fly at a speed of 306 kilometers per hour, making it the 5th fastest helicopter in the world. Number 4. AgustaWestland 101 Merlin is a medium-lift helicopter that can fly at a speed of 309 km per hour, thus making it one of the fastest helicopters in the world. It is used in military and civil operations and developed by Westland Helicopters in the UK and Augusta in Italy. It first flew on October 9, 1987, and is currently manufactured by Leonardo Finmeccanica. The AgustaWestland 101 has replaced many helicopters and was primarily developed to perform roles such as medium-sized transport, anti-submarine warfare, and ship-based utility operations. Number 3. Me-35. Me-35M is a multi-role combat helicopter and was manufactured by Rosbertol. It can fly at a speed of 310 km per hour, making it the 3rd fastest helicopter in the world. It is powered with 2 engines and output power of 2,200 horsepower and was primarily designed for attack and military missions. It can fly in any environmental conditions at a maximum altitude of 5,400 meters. Number 2. CH-47 Chinook. CH-47 Chinook is an American twin-engine and one of the 2 fastest helicopters in the world. It is manufactured by Boeing Rotorcraft Systems. And considered to be one of the heaviest lifting Western helicopters. It was first flown on September 21, 1961, and its objective was to facilitate troop movement, artillery placement, and battlefield resupply. It can fly at a speed of 315 km per hour, because of which many other nations also use it. It has 2 Honeywell engines that can go up to an altitude of 6,000 meters and can carry the load of 10,000 kilograms. Number 1. Eurocopter X3. The fastest helicopter in the world, Eurocopter X3, which was manufactured by Eurocopter. During the demonstration, it achieved an amazing speed of 472 kilometers per hour in level flight on June 7, 2013, setting an unofficial helicopter speed record. It is equipped with two Rolls-Royce turbo engines, providing 2,270 horsepower each. Eurocopter X3 is the world's fastest non-jet augmented compound helicopter.